nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. Hey.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this half up half down look with this frontal bang wig. So this is the same hair that I have in from Sunber hair. If you guys want, you guys can check out my previous video as to how it looked when I unpackaged it and put it on the first time. So I decided to give you guys a tutorial on how I just achieved a different style with this wig. So guys, now that the hard part is done, this is how my wig looks. The bangs are already cut to size because I did put this wig on previously. So if you check out my video, you'll see how I cut my bangs. So this is how my wig looks now that it's on. I'm gonna go in and flat iron my bangs. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of give myself some edges with the black 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 gel. So I'm just pulling my bangs towards the sides. So I'm using this wrap strip and I'm just tying down my bangs. So I'm gonna put the ponytail into a bun. So what I'm going to do is add like an old track that I have. I'm just gonna pin it into this ponytail with like a bobby pin and just wrap it around. Take it. And I just doubled it. And I'm just gonna pin this in, wrap the rest of the hair around the ponytail. And then with that end, I'm just gonna take my next bobby pin and just pin it so that it stays. And now that my ponytail is a bit thicker, I am just going to wrap it up into a bun. Okay guys, so I'm going ahead and I'm going to take off this wrap. Okay guys, so this is the final look. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something from it. I mean, how can you go wrong? I think I'd rather even wear it like this than all straight down. But this is actually my first time doing this look. So yeah, it was easy, quick, and it looks cute. So I hope you guys try it out. Let me know how it goes. You know, comment below. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. And yeah, I'll be back with another video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, watch my other videos. And yeah, I'll be back with another one.